Okay, we have a problem with the brake light not working of the front brake lever. The foot brake one works. I've ended up pulling this off. So this is the power up to the switch, to the micro switch that's under here. Alright. So at the moment there should be no power there. So I've got a test light hooked to it to check it with the load because we're getting the voltage there. So we'll check it with the load. And as you can see, that part of the circuit will light that light up. So this wire should plug into this one, and then the cable runs down and it connects in somewhere where it connects in to the same wire from the foot brake goes up to the light. So from the foot brake to the brake light is fine. So somewhere between this connector and wherever it joins in the wiring, we've got a problem. So I'm going to find out where that cable runs to. So from the stop switch, it's got to run up to pin 5, and then it crosses over into the black wire, and that's where it joins with the foot brake and then goes to the brake light. So this plug here is this plug. And as you can see, I've bypassed it already because I've already had problems with corrosion in this plug. So the wire from the switch runs across the frame and then comes down and comes out here. So this plug here is the one that goes to the foot brake. And then this plug here is the one that runs the cables to the back tail light and brake light. So we've got the voltmeter connected to the wire that loops into the foot brake, and then we've got the other end. So when you apply the foot brake, power should come up that wire and give us a voltage on there. So when you apply the foot brake, we get 10.2 volts. It's saying 11.7 on the dashboard. So let's hook the test light up and see if it can light the light up, because the foot brake is working. So I've got the test light hooked in with a meter. So now when you put your foot on the brake, we no longer get 10 volts. So we'll give this a wiggle around. So we just unplugged this plug, just unplugged a little bit and then plugged it back in. And now when you put your foot on the foot brake, it lights up and we get our voltage as well. So that's where the brake was. Something going wrong in this plug here. And that's where the breakdown was. And that's why I've got all these wires here bypassed, because the plug has given me so many problems with water getting in there and causing corrosion. Alright. Other times that I've had problems with the brake light not working is just getting a bad connection at these push-in fittings. So check those first.